One of the most neglected things in any vehicle is the brakes. All right, Johnny's working on a bike here, and I thought it'd be a good time to make a video about brake fluid. A lot of people let brake fluid go. It's not in their mind. I mean, we're all worried about our oil changes and oil filters and stuff, but brake fluid is very important because it's safety and it's hygroscopic and it absorbs water from the air. And if you look close at this one here, you can see there's like a sludge in the bottom of it, and that's what happens. The water binds with it. And brake fluid, depending on your dot number, has a heat range where it doesn't boil, the boiling point. And the more water that's in it, the lower that temperature is that'll let it boil. So your brakes will be working fine, everything's great, but we haven't serviced them and it's got a lot of water in it, and all of a sudden you need to use them. And it hits that boiling point, air's in the system, now you have no brakes. So just like your oil, you need to service your brake systems as well. And this goes for side-by-sides, ATVs, motorcycles, anything with hydraulic brakes. A lot of bikes also have a hydraulic clutch, and you'll have a similar, it's the same thing, same brake fluid. The other thing I wanted to talk about was brake fluid. Now, if you've used this and you leave it on your shelf in the garage for 2 years, it's garbage. Yeah, that .3 your dad has in his garage for the last 20 years from Napa, it's no good. It's full of water too. The best thing you can do is anytime you do brakes, you want to start fresh because it's doing the same thing on your garage shelf as it does in here. It's absorbing water, it ages out. If it's sealed, that's different. So if our seal is good, then it's like brand new. And a trick we use around here is we'll poke open just little holes. It's just enough hole to get the fluid out. That way it lasts a little longer on the shelf. Here at the shop, we have some really cool tools that flush it and get it all cleaned out. That's one of the services we do here. But I just wanted people to be a little more aware of their brake systems because they'll work and then they don't work, and you don't want to find that out. It's not something that happens slowly. I mean, sometimes it does, but it can go from my brakes are great and then the next pull they're gone. So we definitely want to be taking care of our brake systems. All right, just to recap, we need to service our brake systems, our fluid. We need to get the right fluid in, .4, .3. We also need to change it I like to change it every year. That's overkill, but it gets water in it. We need to get it changed out because when it fails, it's just gonna fail. It's not gonna be like, oh, my brakes are feeling spongy. It's gonna be hard brake and gone. So we need to make sure we're taking care of the brake fluid. If you know what you're doing, you can handle it at home, that's great. If not, bring it to us. That's what we do. We'll get your brake system in top running order. Make sure you have the right brake fluid. And if you got any questions, let us know in the comments below. And like and subscribe. See you later.